Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to fix incoming calls not showing on iPhone, so let's jump right into it. Now the calls on iPhone take up the whole screen or just a small space on the top of the screen. Now if you're getting none of that, let me show you how to fix it. First open settings and then tap on notifications. From here, go ahead and scroll down until you find phone. Here it is, tap on it, and then from here make sure that this toggle is turned on, that is next to allow notifications. That is very important. Now if that doesn't fix it for you, let's swipe down from the top to access the control center and then tap on this do not disturb button. Make sure that it is not turned on, just like I am here. It is turned on. In your case, you want it to be turned off because it might be the reason that is blocking the calls. After that, if that doesn't fix it for you, go back to settings, main page, and then tap on general. From here, tap on software update. Make sure that you're on the latest version of your iPhone. If not, wait for an update to roll out and make sure that you download and install it. That might fix the problem for you, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.